this is Revan. So today we are going to learn how to make the wall lights using the design which we have made by ourselves. Totally simple, but you need a lot of patience. So let's start it. Before you start anything, you need to have an idea about what is the theme you want for your letters. So you need to make a design, or you can just have an idea like what you are going to do. For me, I have chosen this design. You can see the base layers for different letters. For R and A and N, there is one common base point. For E, V and S and V, there is another base point. So I have chosen two base points, one for the big letters and one for the small letters, and the top layer is common for all the letters. So make sure you go with the proper design. And here I didn't use any of the decoration covers, and so you can, if you want, you can use any of the decoration sheets. There are different types of colors in it. I think red, blue and all, but the golden color is already, it's beautiful and it's simple. So as per my design, I liked it and I didn't go for the decoration covers. If it is mandatory for your design, you can go for it, no problem at all. So after you're done with the silver foil, now you have to place the glow lights in the proper order. So make sure you stick them in the proper order so that there won't be any misalignment. So in the front view, the letters start from left to right, right? So when you turn them back while sticking the glow lights, the order should start from right to left, not from left to right. This is where I have done wrong and I have to do it twice. So make sure you don't do this wrong. You will end up doing second time like me.
Dreams get lost, feel the temperature rise. Baby, tell me one more beautiful light. One touch and light ignite. I feel the heat as we collide, like a fever that feels so right.